I have to start training. Hey, really seriously, guys, if you have any tips, holding this for a long time. All right. Oh, you want to get away from the camera, right? Like, I mean, far away from the camera. All right, so today, another day. We're just gonna come down here for a walk. As you can see today, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, right? Me and my wife decided to not staying at home for a whole day, so we're just gonna go for a walk. Tiny little walk, just a little practice before we go for a big one, right? The big one. Yeah, like 10,000 steps a day at least. That kind of big one. This place is called City in the Park. And the park, the garden here is actually what do? They copy Hampton Court to build this garden. There's so many people coming down here to do a photo shoot. And during the summertime, they open the flowers here. Right now it's a daffodil season, so they put a lot of daffodil. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen some of my videos about this area. There's a little garden. Is it called garden? It's close to the place we live, so we come here quite often. Lovely day, lovely day. Oh! Get away from my shot, right? Maybe I have to find a way to. If you guys know how to hold the camera all day, while you are doing traveling, any tips? Please leave it in the comment section, because it's pretty tiring to hold the camera like this, even though Pocket 3 is light, and it's still pretty hectic. Right? Maybe do you have a gadget that you can hold on to this, a little gadget, or maybe put it on someone else's shoulder, yeah, right? And then you can just walk and talk, right? Let's put it on someone else's shoulder. Put it on my wife's shoulder, and then
that could get tiring very quickly.
Yeah. I have a strap. Maybe I can do this. You can, and then we can turn on the active track. Let's try it. Walk.
Which way?
Let's go back to this one. Well, that's actually a pretty good idea. use your wife as a camera stand, and then you don't have to hold on to your camera.
Sigh.
Huh?
Sigh.
And yeah, sometimes your wife's your partner doesn't like to be on the screen, right? So you have to use them, right? They don't want to be on screen, then use them as a stand. That's called what do you call that? Allergy.
If your hand is there, no.
I think it's a great idea.
If you're going to strap it onto me, then
put it on your partner or your wife's shoulder, because they wear a backpack, right? So you guys have a contraction that Right?
Yeah, okay. You can strap it onto my back.
Oh, oh. Oh, look at that. Is he drunk or is he drugged?
Both.
Oh. Yeah, the fentanyl problem, right? They just bend down the head, zombified. Do we need to what?
Do we need to start training?
I should start training holding a Pocket 3. Right? I have to start training. Hey, really seriously, guys, if you have any tips, holding this for a long time, like any contraption, or maybe a little stick, that would be great. So far the only thing I can think of is just putting the camera on the back of my wife, and she can carry the camera for me. And it's like those a magnetic one, stick on. It's a great idea. See, now I have to change my hand. Oh, it's tiring. She doesn't want to be on the shot today because not a pretty day. I know. We all get old, right? People get old. We're not like used to being pretty faces anymore. Yeah, so that's unfortunate. Maybe we got a new market, we're actually tailored to middle-aged older generation. All right, so it's not like those young, 20 years old couples, kind of. We are more like, geared for like 40, 50 couples, and they still want to go travel and do reblocking. Maybe this is our market. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, what happened? There you go. Trap me. Alright. There's a few bicycles just passed by me, and they were electric. I love it. It's more like I really need to buy an electric bike, and that way I can enjoy more about scenery than riding a bike. Like really lazy sometimes, right? The electric bike is really fun. Why are we going there? We're going into a wood here. Like, for some reason my wife likes to go into a wood. Like, where's this is all blueberry. Not blueberry? Oh, blackberry. Okay, blackberry. They all dead. What happened? Blackberry 叫什么？中文是叫黑莓。My wife's trying to. She doesn't want to be in the shot. Okay. My wife's trying to be. My wife's trying to learn Chinese every time. She's been learning Chinese for I don't know how many years since we met. 4 years on Mandarin. 4 years on Mandarin. Yeah. But she's still on the level 2.
Yeah.
That means level 1. Yeah. Right.
Recently, 6 months.
6
months. He was fluent in business Mandarin.
No way. 6. He must be a programmer. They really they
studied intensively with nothing else for 6 months.
Okay, here you go. Study intensively.
Yes. So I need to study intensively.
Hey,
But my husband won't talk to me in Mandarin.
I talk to the wall. No response. 哈，说中文，我们还有多少个月去这个中国啊？多少个礼拜去中国？行，我这
4年。
I just asked you how many more weeks. I have to keep learning. Okay.
Hopeless.
Hey, can reply. Hopeless. What?
Frustrated.
Come on, reply.
No.
Reply. Hey, movie stand.
我不知道。
我不知道。Let's sing that song. 不知，我的中文不好。
我不知道你说什么。
哈哈哈。Alright, so every what? 3 minutes, I will change my arm. Oh, here we go. Change my arm. Well, how you guys do it? Reblocking like this. Like you guys still have a backpack, heavy backpack. Oh, I don't know. Maybe 360 is it better? You have a stick. You hold a stick. Blondie, hey, tell me, is it better than the Parker 3? Maybe I need to have a stick. But if you have a stick, you will increase the weight, right?
Carbon fiber stick.
Carbon fiber stick.
Watch out, it's a bike.
Oh, watch out. Bike. 支撑车，喂，单车。What？单车是自行车。I don't know. Cantonese people like to use 单车。Yeah. People say, Cantonese, Mandarin, which one is harder? Cantonese is definitely harder. If you don't grow in a Cantonese environment, it's very hard to pick up Cantonese. There's so many different towels involved in the way to say it. So learning Mandarin is not a bad idea. Less complication. But they say that if you know 4,000 Chinese character or Chinese word, you are able to understand almost everything. 4,000. Because we don't invent new words every year. But in Vancouver, like Burnaby, you don't really see this. We can drive a little bit to North Vancouver or West Vancouver. There's so many forests like this. Just not in Burnaby and Vancouver. 溫哥華，我半打比，嘿，對不對？對。I noticed that in China, people don't say 對, they say right? How do you even write that character? If you know, please write it on the comment. I try to learn that that way I don't have to write 对 often. 好，还有那个大树，好，给你看看这个大树后面大树。哎，老婆，大树，大树，好大的树，好大的树，
就是森林。
森林。This way, let's go this way. go. 他要说中文呢，他要洗。How do you say plant? 植物。洗植物。呀，你们一定说洗植物要洗的吗？要水洒也可以的嘛。洗植物，神经病。
我的植物有 bugs。
有虫，三虫了，它的植物有三虫了。因为你们知道怎么可以，把这个虫杀掉，一把火烧掉它就没有虫了，对不对？烧掉它。好，今天真的走得很累了。因为你们知道有没有什么方法可以拿这个 Pocket 3不用拿的怎么用力的话，跟我说有什么 contraption，maybe，好，下期再来 subscribe，拜拜。